Looking for assertURLEquals. During a unittest, I would like to compare a generated URL with a static one defined in the test. For this comparison, it would be good to have a test case.assertURLEqual or similar, which would let you compare two URLs in string format and result in true if all query and fragment components were present and equal but not necessarily in order. Before I go implement this myself, is this feature around already?
I don't know if there is something built in, but you could simply use URL parse and check yourself for the query parameter since order is taken into account by default.
Well, this is not too hard to implement with URLparse in the standard library. Basically, compare everything that is parsed from the URL but use parse_queues to get a dictionary from the query string.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.